In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Then select Emergency SOS and tap on Emergency Contacts. Following that, select Add at the bottom and click on a contact you wanna add. Then choose OK in this pop-up if you want this contact to get notified that it became your emergency one. If you don't want to do that, select Cancel. You need to select it after each one. Now with your list finished, you can always edit it thanks to this icon at the top right corner. This way you can move your contacts around by holding one and dragging it, and also remove one by clicking on this X next to the one you wanna get rid of. Don't worry, it won't be removed from your smartphone, only from this list. So hit Remove. Go back. And now let's check it out. As you can see, my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!